In this video, I'll show you how to fix Afterpay not working on Target. Firstly, check Afterpay's operational status. Ensure that Afterpay's services are functioning correctly. You can verify this by visiting their status page. 2. Verify sufficient funds. Confirm that your linked payment method has adequate funds to cover the initial installment, and sufficient funds can lead to transaction declines. Avoid restricted purchases. Be aware that certain items, such as gift cards or high-risk electronics, may be restricted due to fraud prevention measures. And finally, contact Target support. If the problem persists, reach out to Target's customer service for assistance, as the issue might be on their end. By systematically addressing these potential issues, you can enhance the likelihood successfully using Afterpay for your Target purchases. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.